how to stop apps from accessing your microphone. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. Start by heading over to the settings of your device. Once you're inside the settings, scroll all the way down and move into apps. Move into the application in which you want to turn off the microphone. Let me move into Instagram for now. Search for Instagram and then head over to it. Tons of different menus and options will be available to you. You can also see the option of microphone. If it has been enabled, then all you want to do is toggle off this button. Once it has been toggled off, you will not be able to use the microphone in the specific app. If you want to enable it, simply toggle on anytime you want to. So once it has been turned off, you will not be able to have access of microphone. And that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.